At SCRI, we usually have at least 2 or 3 printer stations in operation at any given time. First, we remove any remaining paper from the printer. Then we take out the toner or ink cartridges and remove as much of the outer plastic shells as we can. Scanners and copiers contain glass plates that need to be carefully removed and placed in a cardboard bin to be sent to a glass recycling facility. Any circuit boards, motors, servo units, small electro servers, and wiring bundles are removed. These items get individually binned to be sent out for recycling. If the printer contains a hard drive, it gets removed and sent to our hard drive station for shredding in case it still contains information. The remaining shell of the printer, which is usually metal, gets baled if it's small enough, or put into a metal recycling bin to be shipped out.